We got a garage that's not shutting, and this is the issue. It came off its track. It came off its track because my friend's wife had the string stuck in her door, and it pulled, and it just kind of tweaked it a little bit. So we're gonna get this undone. We'll just undo it right here, move the garage door down, put it back in, and it should be fine. There we go. There we go. See if we can unpin the garage door, get it down, and then push it. And there we go. Come on, baby. There we go. All right, now you gotta line everything up. Slack out of these. Line it up by your eyeball as much as you can, I guess. Dogs. Ooh. All right.